Welcome to our guide on creating an avatar on WhatsApp using your Android device. Let's go through the steps together to customize your avatar. 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device by locating the green and white phone icon on your home screen and tapping on it to launch the app. 2. Once you are in WhatsApp, look for the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen. These dots represent the menu options within the app. 3. Tap on the 3 dots to access the menu, then select Settings from the list of options. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can customize your WhatsApp account. 4. Within the Settings menu, locate and tap on the option labeled Avatar. This is where you can create and edit your personalized avatar. 5. Tap on Create Your Avatar to begin the customization process. This will prompt you to start creating your unique avatar. 6. Next, tap on Get Started to proceed with creating your avatar. You will have the option to either take a photo or manually create your avatar based on your preferences. 7. After creating your avatar, tap on Next to review and make any final adjustments. Once you are satisfied with your avatar, tap on Save to save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily create a unique avatar on WhatsApp, adding a personal touch to your messaging experience. Have fun customizing your avatar and expressing yourself creatively in your chats and conversations. Thank you for watching.